How to log into Huntington Bank online account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First open up any web browser and search for huntington.com. Then you'll be brought to this website right here. On the right hand side, you have the option to log into online banking. If you want to log into your personal and business account, then you simply have to enter your username over here. After that, enter your password. Now click on the login option. In case you have forgotten your username, click on this link right here. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link to retrieve it. If you are new to online banking, click on the enroll now option to create a new account. In case you want to sign into your commercial bank, then select the second option. Then enter your company ID, user ID, password, and click on the login option. In case you want to log into other services, click on the other option, and from there you can access other services as well. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.